Hello and welcome back. And so in this video, let's start with events upload and switching data of events table. Okay, so we already finished with users router. So let's move on to the another one, events router. Okay, so we have in routers events router. Okay, that is here. The very first one is upload an event. Okay, so this is again private request. So private means you have to verify the token, and also you need to verify the form data and then upload an event. So let's start with few things here. I need a token verifier because of private root, and I need perform validation. So something from express validator to validate your form data. So that is body and um, validation results. Yes, and I also need the I event import. I think it will be like this, now. I event. I also need the table, that is events table. I think it's not default exporter. Event table. Okay, that's fine. Now go here. So let me add the token verifier to verify the token, comma. You must provide the form data to validate. Okay, let me check the body of name of the event. So name of the event, dot not not that one. It's like this, dot is empty. So the field should not be empty. So dot empty dot with message. What I say, name is required. Okay, next comma. Let's make few other things. Image, price. I need data. Sorry, date, info, and the type. What type of your event. Okay, so free or pro. So image is required and price is required, date is required, information about the event is required, and type of the event also required. Okay, so let me have a handling of this validation. So errors let's errors is equal to validation result of request, then if not errors dot is empty, then you can return response dot status of 401 and dot json will be with what, an object errors will be errors dot array. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is a validation results. So let me test this out, because you have verified the form data, right? So let me check this data and also my token verification. So I guess up and running. mm, Come on. Oh, I made a mistake, man. I made something SS here. Okay, so let's check. Server should be up and running, and then you can test it. Yep, server up and running. Go back to here. Upload event, right? So I don't provide any form data, right? I don't provide any form data, and I click on send. See, no token provided because the private request you have to verify the token. So how I get token? Let me log in again. I receive the token, copy, go to upload event, header. What I provide is x auth token is my token. Okay, so you have provided the token and then send it. Now, yeah, after token verification is looking for the form data. So all these fields are not there. Okay, so let's make the name of the event something called some yoga online classes, comma, image. Let me give something called www.google.com/yoga.jpg, some dummy image URL, comma, what else? Price. So price you can take some number, right? Price 1500 rupees, comma, date I just give like this 20 22 23 hyphen 04 hyphen 2021. Okay, and info SSO, something wrong. This is info. Okay, so let's say information, something about uh, ultimate yo yoga classes. Okay, comma, what else you have? Type, what type of your event? So type of event is pro event. Okay, so paid one, so pro event, and click on send. Now upload events happen. Yeah, but we actually not written the saving database functionality. Let's write. So you receive name, image, price, data information from the form data, and anything you check. One thing you check, no two events should have same name. Correct? People will confuse, right? So check if an event with the same name. How we check? Let's event of type I event or null, if not, is equal to await, because I'm using the async await syntax. Yeah, await event dot find one. There you have to provide what? Just provide the name of the event just with the name, because you don't have ID, no? Just provide the name. Okay, so if there is an event with the same name, you can't create a new event. So if there is an event, you can send a response. So like this, send a response, and errors will be an array with the message. Message is event is already exist. You can't create the event again with the same name. Okay, if not, you can start creating it. Create an event. I mean, store in database. So event is equal to new event table, and where you provide data. So name of the event, image of the event, and what else? Okay, price, date, info type. Price, date, info type. Okay, that's all. Then what you do? Event is equal to await event dot save to database. And once the event is saved, you can say upload event is success. Okay, so this type of messages I want to show alert statement on the front end UI if you make with the React or Angular. So after this we'll start React, so there I'll show it. So as of now, this confirmation with JSON. Okay, so done with this, let's check for upload. Okay, and also please check your database. If I refresh, there is not even stable also, right? uh, Once again, yeah, there is no even stable also. There is no even stable also. It will create automatically. Okay, don't worry. So back here, upload events, and these are my form data, and click on send. Upload event is success. It means it been uploaded. So go check your database now and refresh. So you have events table. In that events table, so you have event yoga online classes, image, price, date, information, type is pro. Super. Let's upload one more. I say, let's say, so corona prevention online classes, something, some kind of around some 1200 rupees on 25 ultimate, sorry, ultimate corona classes and pro. Send it, upload it, go check, you refresh, you get one more pro event. Let's make the free event as well. So free event is UiBrains online classes. Just say uibrains.com. Let's say price 0 and date is something called 27 ultimate UI classes, and it's a free. Okay, so free means free, and send, upload it, check it out. You check in table format. See, done. Let's make one more free event. For example, I say what else you do? So React online classes. So React.jpg 0 29th ultimate React classes is a free, send it, done. Go check. You got one more. That's fine. So two, sorry. So two um, free events and two pro events. So now upload functionality is done success. So now let's make another routers in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.